Our skin is like a mirror. It reflects the state of health of our bodies. Organs that do not work so well can often be seen as acne and blemishes on the skin. Inflammation, hormonal changes, too much sugar, increased cortisol levels, and clogged pores can also lead to blemished skin. Blemishes should always be treated based on the cause. Diet in particular has a strong influence on the skin and the development of pimples and blackheads. In addition, some face masks can be very helpful in reducing acne breakouts and accelerating the healing process of blemishes and acne scars. These face masks contain natural ingredients that nourish the skin, moisturize it, and stimulate cell renewal. Ingredients such as honey, cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, green tea, turmeric, and milk are very helpful for acne and acne scars. Honey helps the skin to retain moisture and has antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce redness and inflammation caused by acne and pimples. Raw organic honey is best suited. Cinnamon has an antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effect. It nourishes the skin with important nutrients and reduces the signs of aging. The alpha-hydroxy acids in apple cider vinegar helps clear clogged skin. The alpha-hydroxy acids in apple cider vinegar help clear clogged skin pores and remove dead skin cells. Apple cider vinegar also helps to balance the skin's natural pH and remove blemishes. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, which fight harmful free radicals and ensure a young, even appearance. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps fade dark spots on the skin and acne scars. Raw milk contains lactic acid, which acts as a gentle peel and provides various anti-aging benefits. All makeup should be removed and the face washed thoroughly before applying the face masks. This allows the mask to penetrate deep into the skin and clean the pores. Face mask against acne with apple cider vinegar. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of chilled green tea, 1 teaspoon of honey, 5 teaspoons of brown sugar. Preparation and application. First put apple cider vinegar, then green tea, sugar, and honey in a small bowl and mix everything well. To make the mixture a little thicker, more sugar can be added. Spread the mask on the face with a cotton pad and massage in with your fingers for a few minutes. This improves blood circulation and helps remove dead skin cells. Let the mask work for 10 minutes and then rinse with water. Repeat the application 1 to 2 times a week. The sugar in this recipe acts as a natural peel and helps loosen up scar tissue and clear the skin pores. Face mask against acne with honey and cinnamon. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 2 teaspoons of honey. Preparation and application. Mix the cinnamon and honey well in a bowl. If the mixture is too thick, add a little more honey. Moisten the face and spread the mixture over the face with your fingers. Let the mask work for at least 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. Then prepare a mixture of 1 part of apple cider vinegar and 2 parts of distilled water and spread over the face. This face mask can be applied almost every day. Face mask against acne with turmeric, milk, and honey. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of raw milk or almond milk. Preparation: place all ingredients in a bowl and mix to a thin paste. Apply the mask to the face and neck with a new makeup brush or disposable gloves. Let the mask work for 15 minutes and then rinse with water. If the mask leaves a yellowish tinge on your skin, simply dip a cotton ball in milk and use it to clean the yellowish areas. Apply the mask 2 to 3 times a week. There are various masks and tips that reduce acne breakouts and support the healing process of acne scars. In addition to these home remedies, it is also important to over-reduce foods with lots of simple carbohydrates, sugar, and fatty foods. Instead, foods with a low glycemic index, lots of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants can be incorporated into the diet. These foods have a positive effect on the skin, help reduce inflammation and accelerate the healing process of blemishes and acne. Build-up infusions. Those who suffer from physical weakness, loss of vitality, tiredness, weakness in the body's defenses and susceptibility to infection, or who show burnout symptoms, or above all those who have acne, often have a lack of vitamins and minerals. Due to heavy physical or mental stress, the body needs more of these vital substances than it already does. In addition, many people are no longer adequately supplied with vitamins in normal everyday life, because in many cases the supply of important minerals and vitamins through food is no longer guaranteed. Very few people manage 4 to 5 servings of fresh fruit and vegetables a day. Vitamin cures in the form of construction infusions can compensate for this reduced supply or an increased need for vitamins and trace elements.